Hello, my name is Alba Pagliaccio. I am a student of Pedagogy Career in National and Foreign Languages. Today we will talk about should governments prioritize spending on the exploration of space? And today Kevin is with us and he will answer some questions about the issue I raised. Hello, Kevin. How are you?
Hello, how are you? Very well.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
The first, exploration. Is space an important frontier for human exploration inspiration?
In my opinion, yes, because since the beginning of time, humans have looked to space for directions, and space is an important frontier for human exploration because of the amount of information that it offers. There are answers in space about our creation, our universe, and it even provides very good insights into the laws of physics. So yes, I believe it is an important frontier of exploration.
Okay, thank you. The second, science. Does the space exploration benefit science, human understanding?
In my opinion, space exploration would greatly benefit human understanding and science because there are many unanswered questions about how we came to be, for example, the laws of physics, and even about the makeup of our own planet. So looking into space and exploring space would be great ways to advance science and the human understanding.
Thank you, yes. Funding. Should space exploration be publicly funded?
I believe so because space exploration it provides an amount of innovation and growth to multiple industries that is unseen in other projects that are publicly funded. So why shouldn't space exploration also be publicly funded? So when a government invests into a project that brings multiple sciences together, the result is an enormous innovation. And this creates markets that did not even exist before, and it boosts the economy, benefiting everybody. So yes, public funding, in my opinion, would be the best way.
The next, planet. Does the human race need to be able to move to another planet?
The human race should be able to move to another planet because in the scenario that Earth becomes inhospitable, there are many things that could go wrong on Earth and drive us away. For example, for the thing we're seeing now with the global pandemic of COVID, this has never been seen before at this scale. And if there comes a more powerful pandemic that wipes out the whole Earth, then if there's another colony somewhere else, they would continue the human race. So yes, I believe so.
Mars. Are missions to Mars important? Worth funding?
Yes, missions to Mars are important because it is the most promising planet to set up a second human base in. There is water on Mars, and that means it could be hospitable. However, to turn Mars into a second home, we would have to invest large quantities of money. So that takes us back to the question you asked before, why public funding is important. If there is public funding, there's more money and therefore more possibilities for space exploration. So yes, I believe that the funding for Mars and Martian missions are important.
Okay. The next, robots. Should people be flown to space instead of robots? What do you think?
Yes and no. There needs to be a balance because robots do provide cheaper and usually more productive workforce than humans because they don't need to be paid and they don't need to sleep. So they can work all day, all the time, not need to get paid. However, the costs of developing machines that are capable of performing certain human tasks is very, very high. And it makes more sense for a human to be sent up to do it. And also there is the issue of maintenance, because if a machine breaks down, most machines can't fix other machines. So we need to send a human up there to fix the machine, and then that is why you can't only be sending robots up.
Yes, yes. International relations. Is sending humans to space good for international relations?
Well, sending humans to space has its pros and its cons when it comes to international relations, because there's the competitive aspect of the space race. For example, like there was between China and the United States, that promotes scientific developments and it prioritizes the advancement of technologies that can in turn benefit society. However, it can also bring countries together that through uniting ideas and theories from international scientists and bringing together the scientific community, it can be beneficial for international relations. So there is also both sides of the coin.
Yes. Okay, the next, taxpayers. Should opponents of space exploration still be required to contribute?
Yes, I think all taxpayers should be contributing because firstly, it's something that benefits the society as a whole. So even if they don't want to pay for it, they are gonna benefit from the science that comes from space exploration. And also there are people who never go to public parks and others who oppose war and they don't encourage military intervention, and yet their tax money still funds that. So it doesn't make sense for some people to have to fund things that they don't want to, and other people to have the choice. So yes, everybody should be funding with their tax space exploration.
Okay,
Perfect.
we finished the questions. Thank you, Kevin, for your
Of
help.
course. Thank you so much for having me, and I hope I could provide some good insights into space exploration.
Okay, thank you.
Of course. Thank you very much.